If you're illustrating a book with sea creatures in it, or if you want to learn how to draw Destiny from Finding Dory, then grab some paper and a pencil and draw along with me. Hello, I'm Jules, bringing you another video on a Friday, as I do every week, on either drawing or how to publish your own children's stories. This week we're looking at whale sharks and a few other sea creatures. These could make a great addition to your picture or even as a background, or if you're just at a loose end and you want to do something arty, then it's a great subject because they are beautiful. I'm going to use a pencil and some watercolor, but you use whatever you can get your hands on at the moment, whatever you've got knocking around, or if you've got something in particular that you really like using. This video will be sped up so that you can see it unfold quickly, but if you want to go and have a look at it in real time with all my thought processes and the decisions that I make along the way, then have a look at my website where the full tutorial will be. I wanted to draw a friendly shark rather than a great white or something similar, just because they are less aggressive and are much happier looking. Plus, I really love the beautiful marks on their back. Here are some whale shark facts. Firstly, they are not actually whales at all. They are sharks, and they're the biggest fish on the planet. The reason that they're called whale sharks is because they are so big. Whale sharks can live for a really long time, up to 180 years. Whale sharks swim very slowly but for very long distances. They only swim at about 3 miles an hour, which is probably slower than the average person walks, but they swim for many thousands of miles. Whale sharks are gentle giants, and although they have massive mouths, they mostly eat plankton and small shrimps. They have very tiny little teeth and consume their food through a filtration system in their body, rather than hunting prey. Those beautiful marks on their back are unique to each individual, like us with our fingerprints. This means scientists can identify whale sharks and keep an eye on them. If you'd like further artist tutorials, I have a variety of short courses that will help you. There are real-time sessions looking at painting, drawing and marker pens, among others. And if you're keen on producing your own book, there is a more in-depth course on what you need to know about self-publishing a book with illustrations. And that covers making key decisions, how to make layouts and dummy books, rhythm and pacing, as well as several tutorials on illustrating your book, and a look at the tech. You can either hop over to my website or join me on Patreon for more information. Go on, give it a go! Many of us have limitations set on us by the challenges of our physical bodies, and next week I'm going to be talking about how Crohn's disease affects my life. Now, being an artist definitely helps in times of stress, but as does working from home for me. So if you are somebody who is struggling with or affected by inflammatory bowel disease or really any other health condition, then tune in next week and we'll have a chat about it. That's it for now. Check out my books and publishing playlist, or if you want more drawing tutorials, have a look at that one for lots more practice. I'm off to grill a gorilla. I will see you next week. Nanu nanu!